carried you in their arms when you could not even stand on your own. One day, they will grow old and need you the most. I'm so sorry, no? I'm very emotional when it comes to my parents and both sila senior citizen na. When the time comes, please stand by them. Please care for them. And please love them even more. As they always love you. Because when you honor your parents, God will bless you and guide you to greater places in life. To the teachers, thank you for being more than educators. You are mentors, second parents, and guiding lights. You shape lives, build confidence, and inspire dreams. Lastly, very, very important, guys, remember God, not only in times of hardship, but also in your victories. Dear completers, competence will open doors, but it is your character will keep those doors open. Ano mo ang alam-alam kung bastos ang iyong batasan? Remember? Even if Mr. Gabot is the smartest in the room, pero hindi ako kabalo sa tawag na respeto and being kind. For sure, wala company ang mahar sa iyo. Always stay humble and kind, guys. Your honesty, your humility, your courage to do what is right, that is what will define you. The world ahead is not perfect. There will be failures, there will be challenges. But remember, failure is not the end. It is part of your story. Balaan niyo kung ano hindi normal? Failures, normal ina siya. Pero kung hindi mo matanggap ang imo failures in life, that is not normal. Correct? As Filipino graduates, you carry something special. Resilience, kindness, and strength. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of your roots. Be proud to be Filipino. Kakso na nato ang mga mentality na kung nakapa-US, nakapagpa-UK, pagbalik sa